Welcome to Maryland HVAC Repair. In this video, we're learning how to figure out how much heat comes through a wall on a hot day using manual J-Table 4A. Let's go step by step with a real example. We're looking at a wall that's 28 feet 6 inches long and 8 feet high. It's made of 8-inch concrete block with R13 insulation and an exterior finish. No windows, no doors, just a solid wall. Now here's what we want to know. How much heat comes through that wall every hour during summer? We use this simple formula. TA equals sign, area x U value x temperature difference. Step 1, calculate the area of the wall. 28.5 feet x 8 feet equals sign 228 square feet. Step 2, find the U value from manual J-Table 4A. For this type of wall, the U value is 0.083. Step 3, use the temperature difference. Since we're looking for cooling heat gain, we use the summer temperature difference, which is 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Now plug it in. BTA equals sign 228 x 0.083 x 20 equals sign 378.48. That means this wall allows about 378 BTUs of heat to enter every hour in the summer. And that's how you use manual J-Table 4A to calculate heat gain through a wall. If you want more HVAC tips made simple, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Maryland HVAC Repair for your next lesson.